In a quiet suburb of Somerville, the first sunny Saturday of spring had unleashed the restless energy of a group of neighborhood children. Emma, the unofficial leader, a sprightly girl with braids, summoned her troop with an ear-piercing whistle. "Adventure time! To the old Miller Park!" she shouted, her voice ringing through the window screens of the small, comfy houses lined along Magnolia Lane. The ragtag band of explorers, Tommy with unmatched socks, Lucy with her giant glasses, and shy little Sam, scampered behind Emma, their squeals and laughter creating a rousing symphony that drowned out the chirping of the newly returned birds. Old Miller Park was their treasure chest, a small patch of green forgotten by time, with an ancient oak tree standing like a wise old man at its center. Today, their mission was clear: to capture the flag, a tattered red scarf Emma had pilfered from her older sister. Tommy was the first to sprint toward the oak tree, but suddenly, he skidded to a halt, his mouth agape. There, carved into the grand old oak, was a heart enclosing two initials, mysterious and old. The group gathered around, every face painted with awe. "Maybe it's a sign of pirate treasure," Lucy speculated, pushing her glasses up with a finger. "Or a secret love story," Emma sighed dramatically. Sam, tugging at his cap, cautiously peered inside the hollow under the tree. "Or maybe," he murmured, his voice barely a whisper, "it's just two people saying they were here, like us." And with that, the children filled their afternoon with stories of pirates and princesses around the mysterious heart, until the sun dipped below the rooftops and parents called them home. They left the park, a band of little explorers beneath the fading sky, their imaginations richer by 1,000 adventures. Today, they were kids being kids.